Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go.
You know, it's pretty rare when people are action takers, they become money makers. I couldn't be more proud of you. My team couldn't be more proud of you for making it to the diamond page. Only 22 rare diamonds will be discovered in this event for May 21st, May 22nd, and May 23rd. If you make the cut to the 22, you're going to have a bonus fourth day. And on top of that, we're going to give you additional diamond AI prompts that nobody else gets but you. You're going to be in our special community, and there's so many more benefits that are going to be unrolled via email. So you'll want to make sure you register your email, register your phone number, so we can text you, email you, keep you updated on the highest level. Now, the bonus fourth session is the most exciting thing that we could possibly offer. We have a mystery millionaire mentor speaker that's going to be presenting a special bonus fourth day just for the diamond only. No VIPs, no general admission, just the action takers who put their best foot forward and knew that this was the best investment that they could possibly make for their business, to learn organic intelligence and AI technologies, intelligence, and to be able to unlock the other side of the equation, which is something you'll learn at the event. So God bless you. I want to encourage you that you are going to make a movement. You are chosen by God to do a special task in this world. We will do our part to serve you and unlock everything we possibly can on the diamond status. We'll see you on the inside. God bless.
Okay, let's go.